Troy the train. It's a sunny afternoon at the playground here in Car City. Hey, Baby Pickle. Hi, Baby Katie. Are you two having fun? Whoa, it's an earthquake. Hold on, guys. Phew, I'm glad that's over. Are you two okay? Oh no, the road has a crack in it. It might be dangerous. Can you hear someone? Quick, try and get their attention. Oh, it's Troy the train. Hey, Troy. That's Baby Katie and Baby Pickle. Troy, we need a vehicle that can repair the road, so can you help us? Hey, Teddy, Troy would like your help. Troy needs to get a vehicle that can repair a big crack in the road. Can you help? Which vehicle will be able to repair the hole in the road? A concrete mixer? A crane? A forklift? Good idea. A concrete mixer can repair the road. All right, the container is coming your way. Let's head back and help the babies. It's getting dark now in Car City. Where have the babies gone? There you both are. Are you okay? That's okay. Troy will be here to help you soon. Here's Troy. All right, Troy, let's build our new friend. Troy will unload the pieces first. It's time to put them together. It's Christopher, the concrete mixer. Hi, Christopher. We need your help. There was an earthquake, and it has made a crack in the road. Can you repair the road? Where are they going? That looks great, Christopher. Is it ready to drive on? Okay, babies, you can drive out now. Babies? What are you two doing? It's time for you two to go to bed. That's great work, Christopher. Bye, guys. Thanks, Troy. See you later. Hi, guys. Ooh, a party. Looks like fun. Hey, Joe is bringing pizza for everyone. Ooh, that's so nice. Uh-oh, Joe. Look out. I know you're upset, Joe, but it's just a pizza. We'll find a solution. Say, Troy, can you build a new vehicle who can help? Excellent. Let's go meet our new friend. Hey, Teddy, we need a lot of pizza for a party. Do you have any vehicles that can help? That's great news. Let's get started. Which one should we build? How about this? How about this one? Excellent. Okay, Troy, let's get back to the party. Hey everyone, we're back, and we brought someone who can help. Don't be grumpy, Joe. We'll all be eating soon. Let's unload the pieces first. Ooh, it's a pizzaiolo. Perfect. That's odd. What's the problem? Are we missing something? Of course. He needs his pizza slice. That's it. Hi there. We're happy to meet you. What's your name, pizzaiolo? Carlo? Welcome to Car City. Troy? Carlo can make pizzas. Carlo, we have a job for you. Can you help? Great. Let's get cooking. Yum, you're right. That pizza looks delicious. Ooh.
Huh?
Ooh, pineapple. Ooh. How did you know that was Joe's favorite? You've really saved the party. Well done, Carlo. You did good work today too, Troy. See you next time. Bye, friends. Hi, Troy. Windy today, isn't it? What's that? You can't hear anything over the wind? What's wrong? Penny, are you okay? You're having trouble flying in the wind? Hold on, Penny. Troy will go back to the warehouse and find a vehicle to help. Hey, Teddy, Troy's here to see you. Penny the plane has crashed into the lake. We need to help her out before she sinks. Don't worry, Troy. Teddy has just the vehicle to help. Helicopter? Good idea. Troy, look out! That was close. Here he is, Penny. There's no time to waste, Troy. Let's unpack your vehicle right away. Hey there, buddy. What's your name? Hella? Well, Hella, we've got a problem. Can you help? Great job. What's that, Troy? The wind has finally stopped? That means it's time to take Hella back to the warehouse. Thanks, Hella. Awesome job today, Troy. See you next time. Hey, Tom. Cleaning day, huh? Whoa! What's up, baby Tom? You need to practice building a car for an exam? Problem solved. Your dad says he'll have the parts in his garage. Something wrong, Tom? You're right. There aren't enough pieces. Oh, baby Tom, what are we going to do? You're right. That sounds like Troy. Maybe he can help. Hi, Troy. Baby Tom needs to practice building a car. Can you help? Excellent. Hi, Teddy. Troy's on his way. He needs to find a car for baby Tom to work on. A racing car. A bit too fancy for baby Tom to practice on. A kit car is perfect. It's meant to be taken apart and put back together again. Thanks, Teddy. Baby Tom is going to be one happy little boy. You can stop washing those tools now, baby Tom. Troy is here. Shall we meet our new friend? Watch carefully, baby Tom. Hello there. What's your name? Well, Katie the Kit Car, we're very pleased to meet you. Yes. And baby Tom would like to rebuild you. It's like a giant puzzle. Don't worry, your dad will help you. Well done. She looks great. But you've forgotten one final detail. Welcome back, Katie. Can you take a spin around the block so we're sure everything's working properly? It's not time to take Katie back just yet. Okay, Katie, go. Are you worried, baby Tom? You don't have to. Here she comes. Good show, Katie. Thanks for all your help. Thank you too, Troy. You and Teddy are the best. And good luck in your exam, baby Tom. See you next time. Hi there, Troy. Hi, Jerry. That sure looks fun. Are you practicing for the big race later today? That's great. I think you have a good chance of winning. Oh no, Jerry. What's wrong? Are you okay, Jerry? I bet your engine is overheated from that high-speed race. Just wait here, and we'll get Tom the tow truck to help you. You're right, Troy. If Jerry can't race today, Car City will have no player for the race. You're right, Troy. Let's drive to the warehouse and see if we can find a vehicle that can help us. Hi, Teddy. No time for playing now. Troy needs your help with a new vehicle. Teddy, Jerry the race car got hurt during practice. We need a really fast vehicle to replace him at the race this evening. Can you help us? Great. Let's get started. Which one should we build? Maybe this one? No? How about this one then? Not that one either? Ah, we have our winner. He seems to be fast, although a little mischievous. Okay, Troy, let's head back to Jerry. Hi, Jerry. Hi, Tom. Good thing you could come so fast. Are you going to the garage now? Don't you worry, Jerry. I bet you will win the next race instead. Bye, friends. Thanks again, Tom. Troy, let's assemble our orange race car. Wow, it's really coming together now. Hi there, orange racing car. Nice to meet you. What's your name? Tyler? Welcome to Car City, Tyler. Troy, Tyler is very fast racing car, but from the looks of his container, he seems to be a little rascal sometimes. Guys, you want to go for a test race? Okay then. Ready, set, go! I warned you, Troy. He is a mischievous little car. Thank you for your help, Troy. Please thank Tom and Teddy as well, okay? Great. Goodbye, everybody. See you soon. Hey, guys. Follow us in our big adventures by clicking more videos. Download our app to play with your favorite friends. Thanks for riding with us. Hope you liked our video. Click here to subscribe and join the Car City family. See you on the road.